Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be eating pizza. I use a mix of Vaseline and cotton wool. This takes a spark really easy and it's great for damp wood. So I'm going to keep tending to this fire, let it burn down nicely. Until then I can't boil my water, so I can't have a cup of coffee. I'm absolutely dying for a cup of coffee. So I'm going to make some pizza dough instead. Come in, nice and close, don't be shy. Come on, nice and close, don't be shy. So I have a mix in here of 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 cup of plain flour, and a little pinch of salt and pepper. So I'm going to put a little splash of water in here. Splash. May have been a little bit more than a splash, but we'll go with it. Use the back of the spatula to stir. Oh, I've missed my vital ingredient. Where are you, vital ingredient? Where are you, vital ingredient? No good pizza dough is complete without some oil. Trust me on this one. Okay, so I've got grubby hands, but that's okay. You don't mind. And let's put that to one side, stoke the fire up, and let's try and get a brew on. So I've got my cup ready for the fire. Quite fortunate that my cup that I use to boil water on has a bit of a hoop on the top for hanging. So I'm going to make a little bit of a pot stand to hang this over the fire so I can boil me some water so I can have me a coffee. Okay, so first thing, I've selected a stick. This is quite a nice stick. I was quite fond of this stick, that is why I selected this stick. When you're looking for a stick, you want to look for a nice smooth bark. No, you don't want to look for any of that. So when selecting your sticks, a good tip is to select a stick with a natural V shape on. That will act as the support for the main hanging stick. If any of these terms are incorrect, don't worry about it. Just make your own names up. So what you want to do is give you the bottom of your support stick a little bit of a spike. This serves two purposes. One, it is near Halloween, so you never know whether you're going to be staking a vampire through the heart or of course driving it into the ground. You choose. The second is the end of a bit of a... Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. So you want to try and choose a stick that has a little bit of flex in it, not too much, doesn't snap. Usually the top of the sapling or the end of a branch will do. What we can do is just neaten the end off. Neatened. And again, just taper that end down. So now you've got your stick with a natural curve to it. This end will be staked into the ground and this end will be hanging your pot. We can add a little notch in there for the loop on the pot. So you want it on the top of the natural curve. Magic. So we've got some good embers there. I'm going to set the pot stand up, fill the pot full of water and hang it over, and then I'll build the fire back up and hopefully we'll have a coffee. Finally, I've got my coffee. Yay! Ah, hot, 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 hot. love this pan. This pan is my absolute favourite. Okay, so I've got my favourite iron skillet by the Netherton Foundry. Love this. Right, let's start making this pizza up. Let's check this dough out. Oh, she's risen good. She's risen good. I'm liking the look of that. Alright, there's going to be no fancy rolling out or spinning at this point. Just going to get this into a pizza shape and into my pan. Build her up and get her into my belly. Spicy. So I've got a mix of spicy barbecue with some tomato puree, bit of salt and pepper, mix that together. Spicy. Next on the ingredient list, got some red onion. Do like a bit of onion, should I say a lot of onion, so I'm going to be piling this pizza full of onion. We're going to put some bits of pepperoni, and I've got a mix of normal, extra mature cheddar and some spicy Mexican cheese. Take some more pepperoni. One for me. I'll take some tin foil. I'm going to cover the top of the pizza. This will help with the cooking process of the top of the pizza and also melt the cheese. And there we go. I'm going to tuck into this pizza. Mmm. Mmm. That's some good camp pizza. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.